Hey, I'm Mateo. I build Chez. You know how everyone saves recipes from TikTok or Instagram and nobody actually cooks them? We fix that. Chez is your cooking assistant. You can either create your own recipes or import them straight from your favorite videos. For example, right now I'm adding a tiramisu I found on TikTok. I just paste the link, Chez watches the video and pulls out everything I need. Ingredients, steps, timing, that's it. I can throw all the ingredients into my grocery list with one tap. Everything is sorted by aisle, so you are not running around the store. Keep that in mind, we'll come back to it later. Alright, let's cook this. I get the step-by-step cards I can swipe through hands-free, and while I'm cooking, I can just ask questions. Like for example, is Trader Joe's mascarpone good enough for this, or do I need it to be Italian? It answers right away.
Yes, you can use Trader Joe's mascarpone as a substitute for Italian mascarpone. It should work well in terms of flavor and texture for your tiramisu affogato.
Sweet. That was pretty cool, right? But I'm on the free tier right now, so 20 messages a day, which is solid. But if you want the full experience, there is the Chef tier. Chef gives you unlimited imports, 500 messages a day, and the thing that I'm most proud of, Chef starts learning how you cook and it remembers everything you need. So you can keep improving every time you cook. Let's try that out in the challenges that we have saved. We have weekly challenges set by creators. This week's recipes are all by Ethan Bernard. I'm gonna make his frozen tomato burrata. I start cooking, open the chat, and tell it I like lots of pepper and add a balsamic at the end. It picks up on both and saves them for next time. Every recipe you cook makes chefs smarter about you. I finish, rate it, and save my own version based on the original if I want to. The original always stays untouched, and that grocery list from earlier is still there, ready for your next trip to the store. You save it, you cook it, you come back to it, you make it yours. That's chess. Thanks for watching.